The universe is packed with amazing things, but it also holds terrifying things. Planets that make our skin crawl and fill us with fear. These are by far the most terrifying planets we have ever discovered. Imagine you are on a planet that is covered in jagged rocks, and the sky is a strange, spooky green color. A region in which the wind howls like a pack of wolves, and the only living things you encounter are monsters who look like they came straight out of a horror film. This is only one of many terrible planets that we have found since we began our exploration. But what is it that makes a planet so terrifying? Is it the dangerous atmosphere, the dearth of oxygen, or the presence of organisms that are harmful to humans? Let us investigate some of the most terrifying worlds we've ever uncovered. TRES 2b is the name of the first planet on our list. This planet has such a low reflectivity that it only reflects less than 1% of the light that hits it. It is the planet with the darkest nighttime skies that we have ever found. And it is unsettling to think about a world that is perpetually enveloped in shadow. There is so little light in this region that you cannot see your hand in front of your face, and the sole source of illumination is the night sky. Gliese 581c is the second planet on our list of candidates. This planet is situated within the habitable zone of its parent star, which indicates that it might be able to harbor some form of life. On the other hand, the atmosphere of the planet is so dense that it acts as a heat sink and drives an escalating greenhouse effect. The temperature on the planet is so high that water would boil in a moment, and any life that may exist there would be destroyed by the intense heat. Kepler 438b is the name of the third planet on our list. This planet is only somewhat larger than Earth and can potentially support life because it's situated within the habitable zone of its star. However, because it orbits a red dwarf star, the planet is subject to lethal levels of radiation because of the star. Because of the high levels of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere of this planet, it would be physically impossible for humans to survive there. HD 189733b is the name of the fourth planet on our list. This planet is a gas giant, similar to Jupiter, and is found 63 light-years away from Earth in its orbit. However, it's not the size of the planet that makes it frightening. Rather, it's the atmosphere that it possesses. The atmosphere of the planet is thick with silicate particles, which result in the precipitation of glass. There are places on this planet where the wind may reach speeds of up to 5,400 miles per hour. This is equivalent to 7 times the speed of sound. The temperature of the glass rain is so high that it might melt lead, and the winds on the planet are strong enough to destroy any ship that attempts to land there. WASP 12b occupies the 6th spot on our list of planets. This planet is a gas giant like Jupiter and is about 1,200 light-years away from Earth in the same direction. Again, it is not the size of the planet that makes it frightening. Rather, it's the temperature of the planet. Because of the planet's proximity to its star, the latter's gravity is causing the planet's atmosphere to be stripped away. The temperature on the planet has been measured at an excruciating 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit, which is hotter than the surface of some stars. PSO J318.5-22 is the name of the 6th planet on our list. This planet is a rogue planet, which means that it does not orbit a star, and it is situated 80 light-years away from our home planet. Because of the extreme low temperatures on the planet, its atmosphere is entirely composed of methane, which gives the planet its characteristic bluish hue. Because the planet is so remote from the rest of the galaxy, any astronaut who landed there would be unable to escape for the rest of their lives. Gliese 436b occupies the 7th spot of our list of planets. This planet is comparable to Neptune in size and distance, and it's situated 33 light-years from Earth. However, it is not the size of the planet that makes it frightening. It's the atmosphere that it possesses. The temperature of the atmosphere of the planet is so high that molten metal falls from the sky. The winds on this planet can reach speeds of up to 6,000 miles per hour, which is faster than the speed of sound. The metal rain is so hot that it would melt lead, and the winds on this planet can reach speeds of up to 6,000 miles per hour. HD 209458b is the 9th planet that we have on our list. This planet is a gas giant, similar to Jupiter, and is approximately 150 light-years away from Earth in its orbit. Once again, it's not the size of this planet that makes it so frightening. It's the atmosphere. Because the atmosphere of the planet is being evaporated by its star, a massive tail of gas is being produced that stretches behind the planet. Any spacecraft that dares to fly through that tail would be subjected to a barrage of lethal particles due to its enormous size, which allows it to be seen from Earth. J318.5-22 occupies the 9th spot on our list of planets. This planet is a super-Earth and is situated 40 light-years away from our planet. Its size is comparable to that of Earth. However, it's marginally larger. It's not the size of the planet that makes it frightening. Rather, it's the atmosphere that it possesses. Because of the abundance of hydrogen and helium in the planet's atmosphere, scientists refer to it as a water world. Any astronaut who attempted to land on the surface of this planet, which is covered by a deep ocean, would be crushed by the pressure of the environment. PSR B1257+12d occupies the 10th and final spot on our list of planets. This planet is 2,300 light-years away from Earth and is considered to be a pulsar planet, which indicates that it orbits a neutron star that spins very quickly. Radiation that is harmful to humans is constantly beamed at the planet, and any spacecraft that flies dangerously close to the star will be annihilated. Because the environment on this planet is so inhospitable, it is impossible for there to be any kind of life whatsoever. In conclusion, the universe is packed not just with wondrous things, but also with terrifying things. The fact that the universe contains places with hazardous environments is demonstrated by the discovery of some of the most terrifying planets ever discovered. These worlds, which range from planets that are cloaked in darkness to planets that rain molten metal, instill a sense of dread in us and help us appreciate how fragile we really are. As we go with our exploration of the cosmos, we must keep in mind that just beyond the next horizon, there is always something terrifyingly unfamiliar waiting for us to discover it. Let us know which planet you would live on if you had the choice in the comment section below. And remember to subscribe to our channel so you'll be the first to know when we upload new videos.